Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you with all things career related. Today we are going to talk about how a SAS internship can help you kickstart your career in the data science industry. So, what is a SAS internship? A SAS internship is an opportunity for students and recent graduates to gain hands-on experience with one of the most popular software used in data science. By participating in a SAS internship, you will learn how to use SAS software and its applications in the industry. Moreover, you will gain practical experience by working on real-world projects and collaborating with professionals in the industry. Now, you may be wondering, why should you do a SAS internship? Firstly, it will give you the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals and experts in the field. Secondly, you will be able to apply your academic knowledge in a practical setting, thereby enhancing your skills and knowledge base. Additionally, you will get exposure to the industry and build your professional network. So, what are the prerequisites to apply for a SAS internship? Typically, you need to have a background in statistics, computer science, mathematics, or a related field. In addition, having programming skills in languages such as Python, R, SQL, and others is an added advantage. How do you apply for a SAS internship? The best way to start is by exploring job portals and company websites. You can also reach out to your college's career center or contact SAS directly to inquire about any internship opportunities available. To sum up, a SAS internship can be a great stepping stone to a successful career in the data science industry. It will help you gain practical experience, enhance your skills, and build your professional network. So, start your search for a SAS internship today and kickstart your career. If you're looking to take training in SAS, please visit www.greatonlinetraining.com for free live demo. Or call us at +919966956770 for more details.